Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning back into Hacks and Hunt. Today's quick episode is going to be talking about how to nock an arrow onto your compound bow. Alright guys, so this is as simple and as easy as it gets. Super quick tip. So basically, nocking your arrow. Most arrows have 2 different color fletching. I have 3. I just remember that red's always on top for my particular bow. So what I do to be able to nock it is put it right there in the D-loop. Easy as that. Click it on there and then have my drop away rest set. That way it's not going to fall out as I'm hiking around or whatever. But you guys do want to make sure that your arrow actually clips into the string. So if you listen there, it clips onto the string. Same thing right there inside the D-loop. Listen. Clips in. You don't want to just push it on there, and then you don't want to just set it on there because that's not on all the way, so you're not going to get a consistent shot, as well as it could fall off of the string. Some nocks actually clip on. Let's see, like this nock, it's going to clip on and it's on there pretty tight. Some nocks, they're going to clip on and they're not going to be able to come off. Some of them you're going to put on there and it's not even going to clip. It's just going to come on and off like that. So you just want to pay close attention to the size of the nock, to the serving here on your string. Make sure it clips good, not too hard, not too soft, and you'll be shooting arrows perfectly. So that's today's quick tip, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in again. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It helps out so much and I appreciate it so much. Love all the support that I've been receiving here on my channel. Anyway, guys, have a good rest of your guys' day.